Hi there. Welcome to the last episode of this first part of our Python programming series. I'm your host, James. In this episode, we're diving into the world of variables, how to create them, update them, and why they're crucial in programming. So, let's jump right in. Variables are like containers in Python. They let us store values and give those values human-readable names. Think of them as labels for data. Just like in math, where we use pi to represent 3.14159, we can use variables to make our code more understandable. So every variable has a name and a value. So in this program, we create three variables. The first variable is called message, and it's created on line 1. So message has the value what's up, doc, which is a string. And then we create a second variable whose name is n and whose value is 17. And then we create a third variable whose name is pi and whose value is 3.14159. And we can print them one by one. Variables aren't set in stone. We can update them whenever we want. If we have a variable x and we assign it the value 5, we get x equals 5, and when we print the value of x, we get 5 as output. But if we later assign x the value 10, it changes accordingly. X equals 10, and when we print the value of x, we get 10 as output, instead of 5. Variable names in Python have some rules. They must start with a letter and can only contain letters and numbers. No spaces are allowed, but you can use underscores. Avoid using uppercase letters, as it's not conventional unless necessary. Some examples of illegal variable names include 76 trombones, because it doesn't start with a letter. More dollar, due to the dollar sign. Class, because it's a Python keyword. But what's wrong with class? It turns out that class is one of the Python keywords. Keywords define the language's syntax rules and structure, and they cannot be used as variable names. In Python, you can make more than one assignment to the same variable. This reassigns the variable to a new value. For example, Bruce equals 5, and when we print the value of Bruce, we get 5 as output. But when we write Bruce equals 7, and when we print the value of Bruce, we get 7 as output. Unlike math, where once a equals b, it always will, in Python, variables can change their values. This means they don't have to stay the same throughout your program. And there you have it, a basic understanding of variables in Python. They're essential for storing and managing data in your programs. So, go ahead, create some variables, and make your code more dynamic. Thanks for tuning in to another Python programming adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We're here to guide you through the world of programming. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and stay tuned for more exciting Python tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!